Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's special is Challa Punugulu, a very popular Andhra street food snack. Crispy from the outside and very soft from inside. It's a great time pass snack, especially when it's raining. So follow me in easy steps to get it right every time you make it. So for this recipe, you'll be needing a dosa batter. So you can use up the leftover dosa batter. So I'll give the link above and also in the description box below. You can check out how I make my idli-dosa batter. It is an all-in-one dosa batter which is useful to make both idlis as well as dosas. Take 2 cups of dosa batter in a bowl. To this add salt and a little cooking soda. Now add RAVA, Maida and yogurt. Add in cumin seeds, finely chopped curry leaves, green chillies and coriander. The consistency should neither be too thick nor too runny. If it's runny, punugulu will absorb a lot of oil, and if it's too thick, they will not cook from the inside and they'll not be fluffy. So first mix with the yogurt and then add water or yogurt to adjust the consistency. So in this case, I feel the consistency is too thick, so I'm adding some more yogurt and a little water and mixing well. Mix well for about a minute until fluffy. Close with a lid and set aside for about 20 minutes. Heat oil in a deep frying pan over high heat. Once oil is hot enough, reduce to medium heat. Pinch out small amounts of batter with your fingers and drop into the oil. Alternatively, you can also use a spoon to drop a teaspoonful of batter each time to make small punugulu. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan because the punugulu will need a lot of room to fry properly. Keep turning all sides while frying for even cooking and browning. Fry them until golden brown and remove using a slotted spoon and transfer onto an absorbent tissue paper to remove any excess oil. Repeat the process until all the batter is done. Serve punugulu with your favorite chutney and enjoy while they are hot with a cup of coffee or tea. Do enjoy it and subscribe to my channel MasalaKorb. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell for new updates. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. It's me Padma signing off.